Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. Thank you for jumping on into the live stream, calling yourself lifers, and rolling with me on the journey of a lifetime. Shout out to each and every single one of y'all for holding me down, showing up every single day here. 69 watchers, 41 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. In a little early today because, you know, everyone's going to be watching the Final Four. Going to steal a little bit of the show today. I'm just popping in and popping out on this Saturday night to show you what's going down in crypto. Bang, bang, bang. I most certainly will. I'll be asking for tips in the near future for your smooth charts. The incredible layout with trade data. It's super organized. You're a total pro. Sexy organized. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Some sexy words going on in there. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let's jump into Bitcoin. Let's show you what's cracking. GMT, a little bit of a short going down right now to the ground. But you know what? I like the long red candles, so this thing is looking scrumptious to me. Funny, there's a short in another channel, but I kind of like what this is doing. If it can stay above this resistance, GMT could bang on them. I'm beginning to build a position here, very small, like 500 to 1,000, very small. But I'm looking at this closely for a massive move, possibly back to 341 for GMT. So right off the bat, GMT's on the radar. Last night, before I went to bed, I'm sitting there looking at the charts. And shout out to anyone that moved over to Discord with me. It was a crazy move, right? Can you believe it? We transitioned from Telegram to Discord. Shout out to everyone that made it possible. Shout out to my wife for working day and night to keep everybody happy. And so many people email, I can't get in. I don't know where my pass. You know what people do is they create 2 Discords. Then they link one to the Patreon. Then they can't get in because they're like, and they linked it, but they're linking the wrong Patreon and the wrong Discord. We figured this out for so many different people. We sat with them. Some people don't know how to click a mouse. We told them just click a button and you're going to get there. Don't worry. We did so much for so many. And I appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in. So look, XYO last night looked absolutely beautiful in the Discord. Let's see what the Discord looked like. We're done with Telegram. We have moved on. I love Telegram, by the way. I love it. It just Discord's neater and easier to follow what's going down. So look, you can even go here to my lifer charts and video ideas, right? Type in XYO, right? It's my first time doing this stuff. So we hit enter. And then you can see right here my XYO chart that I posted right there. Look, still very, very tight. XYO still very, very tight. Yesterday at 8:45 in the morning. I'm posting this at 8:45 in the morning. This thing's getting ready for some juice right there. Getting ready for some juice. Bang, bang, bang. And just wanted everyone to know, man, this thing looks hot. Look what happened to it. Boom. To the upside. Nailed the target exactly for 16% gains in about 24 hours. Oh, yeah. Now I see people call me every time, man, with this dang button. So if we jump into the Discord, every time, it's like, I gotta stop. We jump into the Discord here, and I'm posting this here at about 8:45 in the morning here. This is what the chart looked like before it popped to the upside. Bang, bang, bang. And always hit the links. So I'm going to hit this link. It's going to take me to a nice, beautiful screen. And this is what we do. We get into tight wedges, very tight wedges, with the 21-day moving average interacting with price action, with the stochastics moving. And look, lack of bearish momentum. There was just lack of bearish momentum there. Not a lot of movement, telling you that there's probably going to be some buy pressure coming. Lack of momentum here on the volume as well. And bang, bang, bang. Look what we would do. Boom. To to the upside. Boom, to the upside. Team Underground. So there you go, 16% gains and a little more. This thing still has juice. Looks like it may be getting ready for another leg to the upside. Let's take a look at it now. I mean, it's flagging. It's flagging right now, and it looks like it may be getting ready for another move. Let's take a look at it on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, you never know, but this might scalp out, just like it did before, for another little bit of a pump here. XYO is hot. It's on the radar. Another 11% possibly coming for XYO. Nailed it, though. If you were in the trading group, you would have nailed the call. CPOOL was another one on my radar yesterday. CPOOL looked like it was just highly likely to make a move. And I'll show you when I first talked about CPOOL. And I love it that I can do this all in the Discord. Shout out to everyone here. I don't know who called me, but I remember that's the new Discord sound. You guys, y'all are funny. So type in CPOOL up here. I like how Grace comes up. And you can see my first chart for CPOOL. Posted 11:50 a.m. yesterday. CPOOL. We'll take a look. What do we look at for CPOOL? Well, it was in a cup with a handle. It was getting very tight right there. The 200-day moving average is moving through the bottom of the pattern, showing signs of life and lack of bearish momentum, showing signs that this was going to pop to the upside. First take profit, second take profit, possibly 32% gains out of CPOOL. Let's take a look and see what happened to CPOOL. Not like 10, 12 hours later. Look at this. Bang, bang, bang. Wait. We got a before, right? We got a before. We got an after. Look at that. We got a before. We got an after. Bang, bang, bang. And it would go up 23%. Now it's above the zone too. And this is also showing signs of life. Will this pump again, just like XYL? Both charts suggesting that there may be a bit of a pump here out of this ascending triangle to the upside. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in and being awesome, sauceum with the kid. So look at this. We could have another gainer here coming. Not guaranteeing it, but that 15-minute suggests you may load up for another push. This is a bullish pattern, 68% chance this will blast off. 50-50 really. But look at first take profit was perfectly hit. This could go for more. But those are two gainers that we've nailed. Bang, bang, bang. Solana kept moving on them. ENQ, Enacum did damage. Look, this is in a bit of a flag here on the 15-minute. A lot of coins are getting ready, gearing up for a possible pump on the 15-minute to the upside. Takes me 2 seconds to look at a chart, and I'm all over it. EG, Edgeware. And we talked about Edgeware when it was there. It would get stopped out. But let me take a look at Edgeware here now. I mean, actually, I looked at it this morning. I was like, man, this thing is hot. 4 hours overbought, though. All right, I got the pop already. I looked at it this morning. Missed the pop. Kona. We were all up. Someone was actually going over this in my group earlier. Kona, they had it in the cup and handle. Nailed this cup and handle right here to the upside for Kona. And this is what we do here on the channel every single day. And look, you also would have noticed this inverted shoulder, head, shoulder, inverted head and shoulder there to the upside. Bang, bang, bang. Hope I taught you something on the way through my life. And there, I mean, that's cup and handle status. And then that just kept going. I mean, what a blast to the upside. Tidal banging on them. Ascent just keeps moving. I talked about Ascent right here at about 2 cents. This thing would boom. It's up even more than 12%. Let's take a look here. This thing would bang on them all the way up 50%, and it's still holding gains at 29. I talked about this down here. I hold a large bag of this. I got in a little later in the alt run season there. Let's take a look at MOVR. Chance it was going to break out of this falling wedge to the upside. It did that as well. Look at that. Bang. Woo. I'm always like a triple sneezer. Tara we had in the cup and handle. Highly likely to bust to the upside. They tried to get our stop. They did not get our stop. Tara banged on them to the upside. Anyone that took into Tara took it for a nice gainer for 18% gains. BRWL, which is buy. Haven't looked at that in a while. Lithium had a pump there. Telos, B-Pro. Look at this. I positioned B-Pro here. They did get us, though, on the stop. They stopped us out on that one. See? swing, got us on the stop. Hey, if we had been a little lower and a little more advantageous here, but it would have been out of the risk-reward ratio. So that happens. Finks Dow banging on them to the upside. And who could have thought, we talked about Kadena. We called the bottom of Kadena at about 6 beans. It banged on them today, up 26% gains from that initial entry and a little more there from that initial flag to the upside. Kadena, Formation Phi. I first made a video about this back in the day on the Crypto Lifestyle. Check out Formation Phi. I actually really like the project. And honestly, look at what we're seeing here. Bit of an ascending triangle for Formation Phi. You might want to write down Formation Phi. This thing could bang on them to the upside. Formation Phi. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in and calling yourself crypto lifers. This is the life. This is the gain. This is where the money flows. KuCoin gems, baby. While Bitcoin goes sideways, KuCoin gems. While Bitcoin goes Sid's way, baby. Can we look at our baby seller? Super chat, BRWL on OKX. BRWL on OKX in seller. Shout out to my moderator. Shout out to Grace Protocol. Calder Ronster. Shout out to my peoples. Can we check BRWL? We will. Siraj Ali, my man. Salam alaikum. I'm joining for 3 months. I talked to your girl on the email. I was going to send Ada, but she said she needed it. BEP 20. Funny, yeah. Jump on in as soon as you can. Jump on into the trading group. We're making gains daily. We'll make sure you're in the most profitable setups every single day. No matter what, we'll find the gains together. As a group, we do it. It becomes a family. All love, no profanity. Everybody is together, doing it together. What a beautiful group of people we all are together. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. 135 people, 98 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers on this small group of people tonight? Thank you so much. Discord is hands down the bomb. I'm so pleased with the transition. Thank you. We worked really hard to transition to Discord. It was a lot of stress on the group, but we did it. It took a lot of moving parts. It took a lot of people. It took me. It took my moderators. It took Brandon Peters. It took my wife. It took my wife's assistant. Oh my gosh, and we're not even done yet. We're still making sure everybody is transitioned properly. We're still making sure everybody has transitioned properly. Formation Phi on the 1 hour, looking for a scalp here to the upside. You will have a little bit of resistance here on these wicks, but there could be possibly 31% gains out of Formation Phi to the upside. 4-5. We just went over so many coins so fast, right? Form USDT on KuCoin, baby. 1 hour. What I'm also going to do, oop, look at that. What I'm also going to do, all right, is I'm going to, first of all, my alerts are going to come here. I have I'm going to work on, I got a test alert thing going on. My buddy showed me how to do it, and I was this close. I sent one in yesterday. Something was wrong. Like, Brandon, I sent this one in yesterday, content, boom. But I got to put the link somewhere different. I was able to get this one cooking, and I'm really close to getting them. I figured out where the webhook was. I went to the back end. Discord transition was indeed an awesome transition. Shout out to Grace Protocol. Bitmode Crypto, good to see you. Hope you enjoy the live stream. Shout out to Bitmode. Shout out to Steph. We love you, Steph. Thank you for the welcome. Yo, Lifer, new member to the Patreon here at the gym right now, but gotta watch the live after. Came through to drop a like. You're the man, dude. Much respect to you and yours. Bitmo Crypto really got you joined. Think you're an intelligent for that. Oh, yeah. You're the man, dude. Girl, can't wait to chat with you in the Discord. Hey, girl, can't wait. Oh, I love our Lifer ladies. Shout out to the Lifer ladies. Always bringing that love, that light, and that awesome positive energy to the group. Love joining the Discord, and oh boy, the welcomes were awesome. What a team. So glad to be with y'all. Bit Squad and the Lifers love Steph. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm actually hyped about this transition. It's something to be hyped about. It's something to be excited about. It's something to be like, word, what a move, I'm so proud of my wife. Never seen her work so hard in my entire life. I mean, she's got the baby in one arm. She's got the computer in another. She's cooking an egg in the other. I mean, she's got 3 arms. She's got 7 arms. Straight up. I don't know how she does it. Shout out to the Crypto Wifer. She's unbelievable. And then I'm sitting there in the charts all day. I can't do it. I'm like, I did clean a lot, though. I've been in the kitchen. She had me in the kitchen today. She was working so much, I had to be in the kitchen. Shout out to the new iPad. I mean, these things are sick. They're insane. And then you just flap it and close it right up. Walk around with your new iPad, just ready to go. You could be a charting master with this thing. These things are insanity. The pen is unbelievable. Together, it's a bit pricey. You're talking about $350 for the bigger Magic keyboard. The smaller ones are like $200, $299. So you're talking $350 for the bigger, unless you get some, bootleg. You're talking $11.50 at Costco's, and I bought it at Costco's too. Don't get me wrong. I went to Costco's to get this thing. I got it $50 cheaper than you could get the 512 gigabyte, right? 512 gigs. There's my little baby girl. She must be the cutest baby there ever was in the world. Oh my God. She's ridiculous. Oh, some parts of this get deleted because of the, there's green here. But this thing is amazing. Shout out to anyone that jumps on into these iPad Pros. They're unreal. Unreal. And this is a magnetic keyboard that just, oh my God. The pen's $100. The keyboard's $350. After taxes, you're looking at $370. And then the iPad itself is another $1150. Insanity. You're talking like $1,400. It's basically a laptop, but the thing is rock solid. Unbelievable. And I got Discord up here all the time. I said to myself, you know what? Business is going well. We're rocking it. And I can even be even more attentive. I mean, I'm always in the room, but I'm always down here in the computer room. I want to be around the house. I want to be anywhere I need to be. And I can hotspot with this thing in my phone. I can hotspot with this thing and be anywhere I want to go. I'm not the huge fan of Apple. I do have PCs. I like building my own thing. But this thing is rock solid. I have to give it to them. The whole idea behind it is insane. I got it right here watching the live. Right? It's so sick. It's so sick. And today, it's funny. Today I got the keypad and my wife's like, why are you getting that keypad? She's battling me in front of the salesman. She's like, you don't need this. When are you going to use the keypad? You never use the keypad. When are you going to use that? And I'm like, what do you mean? Of course I'm going to use that. The touchscreen is corny, Anyway, I'm just hyped about the new iPad. My birthday's next week. I guess I'm getting a little birthday happy. But this is for the business. This is a business write-off too. That's another thing. When you run a business, that's a business write-off because I need it for the business. I need that for the business. So, start your own company. Get yourself going. I'm telling you right now. Let's take a look at BRWL. Maybe there's a reason he's all over it. Look at Formation Phi. Already making a bit of a move here to the upside. Formation Phi on the radar. Formation Phi on the radar. Possible scalp here. Take a look at the daily. Daily still has legs. No reason to stop. 1 hour could flip for us too for another push. 1 hour could do a little quick flip. We are at resistance, right? So it's high risk, high reward on this 1 hour. 15-minute is ready to go for you though. So, that's the sweet spot. I love to get in when the 15-minute and the 1 hour are low in conjunction with each other. Bang, 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 bang. And we're working on an indicator here. The Crypto Lifer indicator. That's right. The Lifinator. The Lindicator. Maybe it's the Lindicator. I don't know, but we'll call it the Lifer indicator. The Lifer indicator. The Lifer indicator. The Lifer indicator. I don't know exactly what we're going to call it. We're still working on it. Momentum Master, Lifer Momentum. Whatever we're going to go. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm excited. Let me just give you a glimpse of what it looks like. Blow your mind real quick. You might just be like, whoa, what did he just do? Take a look at this indicator. It's insanity. It's complete insanity. Momentum Master A and Momentum Master B, we built from the ground up by the lifers. Built by a lifer for the lifers. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it anywhere else in the markets. Nothing like it anywhere else in the markets. Look at this diamond and rocket chips gave you the entry right there. Look at these two rocket chips buy zones. The rocket chip gave it to you. They got the Fibonacci stochastic institutional stop zone. Look at we got the cloud, baby. See that 3 diamond? Gave you all the RSIs low at the same time. Bang, bang, bang. Look, we got low stochastic here. Low stochastics. We got the Williams. When the Williams is low, beautiful entry on the low Williams right there. Bang. Beautiful entry on the low Williams right there. Bang. Beautiful entry on the low Williams right there. Bang, bang, bang. Caught the bottoms for you on the Williams. Also, entering when you're white in clear is a good idea. Getting out when you're thick in the blue is a good idea. So we like to enter trades when you can see this light. As it gets thicker and thicker, when it gets real thick, you out of the trade, baby, you out. Look, same scenario here. Look, nice and light. You get in. It's these lines that I'm talking about. Let me double check and show you what I mean. See how these lines coming through the bottom? Volume weighted. And what they're doing is they're telling us, you know, to get in the pink area. I'm colorblind, so I couldn't see the pink till I really zoomed in here. But we're getting in the pinkish area, getting out in the purplish area. I'm colorblind, have no idea. But to me, it's a dark blue or whatever. But pink to blue. All right? Really simple process. When the Williams is low, when you see a rocket ship, when you see a diamond, when you see the pink, it's telling you, my golly, gee, oh my. Then it's also the candles are colored by what's happening. So when you see a massive institutional candle buy-in, it turns green. That's usually where you want to be getting out on a green candle, right? So this indicator is absurd. It's out of control. It'll blow your mind. When you get lower dots, the bigger the dots, the more you want to get in. The smaller the dots, the more you may want to wait. You never know. It also shows you two stochastics at the same time. The MTF, stochastic. Actually, I may have it turned off for a second. Let me see if I can flip this on. I think we have the OT. Oh, yeah, the other higher HTF, higher time frame. The HTF KO Phil. He got it. All right. Yeah. All right. I feel like I'm not seeing both, but maybe I am. Interesting. This is telling you maybe watch out though. A little high on the volume weighted too as well. We'd like to get down there with a crystal, right? This would also be a scalp. SENSO been banging on them, and that SENSO banged on them. We talked about SENSO going to the upside. This is another trade that we called on. It banged to the upside for beautiful gains. Look, all the way up to about 26% gains out of SENSO. Nailed it to the upside. Shout out to Sean Connolly. Thoughts on JSMY and Anchor Boss. Let's take a look at JSMY. JSMY was supposed to pop. Didn't really get a look. Can we look at our baby seller? Let's take a look at seller. Let's take a look at BRWL. BRWL here. Blockchain brawlers on OKX. So this thing came out. It did damage. Made a beautiful flag here. To me, it broke out of the flag, broke back into the flag. This is what happened. Don't try to get that into the pattern. You're not going to get a pattern. This is exactly what happened. You can try to front it like this, but to me, that's not what happened. Over time, you're going to be able to know what to omit and what not to omit. I'm able to do it immediately, but that took me literally, I didn't do that until my 6th year of trading. I had to see so many market makers bang on us to be able to figure out what I just did out, how to omit this section. And what you want to do is you want to act like it just never happened. Once you get back in the pattern, you act like the pattern is still just content, ready to rock to the upside, right? And I'm looking for my, there it is. Yeah, I'm looking for my highlighter there. And you just act like it never happened. See that? It just never happened. And bang, ready to go. This thing could do numbers. Take a look in the 4 hour. Yeah, it's got, this thing could do numbers. I don't have access to OKX right now, but bang, bang, bang. Let's see if this is decentralized as well. Maybe a pancake swap grab. We don't know yet. But this is high risk reward. You really not a good place for a stop loss right there. You got this. You could Bart Simpson right back down to one of these support zones here. It could happen. So it's high risk, high reward. Like you got to play it close to the bone, like right there. You see what I'm saying? Like a 15% stop loss to get 130%. But I do like what I'm seeing here. Brand new coin, BRWL. Let's take a look at it here on Coin Market Cap. BRWL here. And every single day, if you come to the live, you're going to find out about a new coin. At least 2, 3, 4, 5 new coins every single time on the live stream. It's got an Ethereum contract address. You can probably snatch this thing up on Uniswap. Let's take a look if it's only, it's probably on Uniswap and Gate.io. OKX and LBank, you can grab it on LBank as well. Steppen just keeps banging on them. Stargate Finance keeps banging on them. ApeCoin. ApeCoin back to 1251. Interesting. I sold Ape at 1414. Never really looked at it again. Waiting for that perfect time. Never know. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in. Can I get the likes up to the watchers? Oh, look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do something interesting. I don't know if you've ever seen anybody do this. But look, I think there's a like button right there. I'm going to hit it. Bam, look at that. That was fun. That was fun. YouTube wants to use Google to sign in. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Bang, bang, bang. So BRWL, okay? BRWL can be snatched up. Let's take a look here at Dexcreen and go to TaxBit. TaxBit. I went to TaxBit. It was awesome. It's how I did my taxes. It's nice, easy, and affordable. Jump on in over to TaxBit. Someone should let them know that I'm spewing their services here every day. So I couldn't get it on the decentralized exchange. It did have an Ethereum address, but I couldn't seem to snatch it. I believe we could still get it on Uniswap, though. Let me just take a look. Shout out to anyone who jumped into my MetaMask course. It was a blast. I had an absolute awesome time with everyone that jumped on into that course. Always a good time. Always a good time. So we're launching the app here. I'm just going to paste the contract address in here. See if you can snatch it up on Uni. There it is, dude. You could grab this on Uniswap with super high fees and pay ETH for it, but just want to let you know you could get it if you weren't able to get it on a decentralized. Let's see, Rubik might even have it too. Check this. Rubik is where you go to get anything you need for anything you have. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just say, let's launch the Rubik app. Let's just say you only had BNB, but you wanted to get this on the Ethereum mainnet, right? So you type in here, select the token you got, and you're like, all right, I got some Binance coin, and I got some BNB. And you're like, but I want some BRWL. I bet you they got it. I mean, they got them all on the Ethereum. Oh, they don't have it. Interesting. Almost every time it's there. Make sure I spelled it right. It was it wasn't BWRL, right? BRWL. Hold on. Yeah, brawler, like a brawl. BRWL. Let me make sure. I may have messed up. Nope. Nah. But usually they have almost every coin. A week or two from now, they probably will have this coin, though. Interesting. Thought they might have had it ready to rock on Rubik. Nope. They got a lot of coins, I'll tell you that. Let's jump on into Seller. I know you guys are waiting on Seller. You want to see what's happening for Seller. Let's break it down. And West just keeps coming on my radar. This Waves Enterprise. See, look, I just talked about it yesterday on the live stream. So interesting. Remember, you guys remember me going over this? I was like, oh, that's Waves. I was like, it has something to do with actual waves. Look at this thing blasted. I must have a premonition, man, because I just went over this coin. Just something about it was calling my name. Look at the thing. This thing would just keep going up to the upside. Insanity. Let's look at Wave BTC. I sold my Waves BTC trade. Let's take a look at it here. And yeah, I sold it beautifully. I sold it at like 1,300 at the exact top right up here. You know, what a move. What a move. And that's how you get it in, baby. That's how you get it in. Sold the Waves right there for BTC. Nailed it. Now, is Waves going to keep going? You never know. It could. I don't want it to because I sold it for Bitcoin, but anything is possible. Waves front run the whole market. It did it last time. We could see a move back up to the top here, but they would be strong bearish divvy. It has played out, though. Is it going for more? I looked at the weekly, and the weekly was so cooked to me. See that weekly candle? It was like, and I take this out. I mean, there's a wick there. I sold the top right there. I really did at 1,300 Satoshis. I wanted to get all my Bitcoins, baby. I'm stacking as many Bitcoins as I can. I trade alts to stack Bitcoin. I don't trade altcoins to stack fiat to make a bunch of money. I'm stacking Bitcoins. I'm going for 100 Bitcoin. That's the goal, baby. That's the goal. 100 Bitcoin. 2030. I bet I can get it earlier than that. Aura Chain. We've talked about this for a while. A little overbought on the weekly. Take a look at it here. Yeah, 4 hours cooked. This didn't really give us much of a punch like we wanted it to. Got a little bit of a gains out of it. Nothing to write home about, really. Look, 10%. It's all right. Didn't really even get past the first resistance point here. Aura Chain. Interesting. It might pump here in that 1 hour, but you're at resistance. 4 hours not in your favor. Metered governance token. I like this project. I made a video about it a long time ago, like 7, 8, 9 months ago. And look, I feel like it's breaking out. Look at that. That's a breakout right there for MTRG. And this thing just keeps, look, pump. It broke out of this wedge. Banged on him, right? Broke out of this wedge and banged on him. It broke out of this wedge and banged on him. Like, it just kept going. Every single time you made a wedge, it just kept moving on you. Look at this thing. It's like going parabolico. And you could have got it just in March 17th. Look, St. Patty's Day buy. Could have been hammered and just thrown some money at this on St. Patty's Day. No, I'm just messing around. I do not condone drinking alcohol, but I do like making jokes about accents. I love accents. I think it's the funniest thing you can do to make jokes about accents. Here's my Marky Wahlberg. Honey, I went to the gym yesterday. I picked up all the fruit that we needed at the end of the week. So I can put everything in the jar, and we're all set, honey. Everything's ready to go. Don't worry, baby. I'm going to take care of everything. I'm going to take care of everything. I'm Marky Wahlberg. All right? I'm Marky Wahlberg, babe. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're going to take care of it, honey. We're going to take care of it. I got it under control. All right. You want Peter Griffin? All right, ready? We got to bring the music down for this one. Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. I can do better. Hey, Chris, why don't you go to your room? Chris, go to your room before I put my foot up your ass. So I shouldn't have swore, but I had to. I had to. Brian, sometimes you're my only friend. Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Shout out to everybody here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in. Love y'all. Love y'all. Peter Griffin is the ish. The Mark one was actually good. But I had to. East Jordan, man. Stack it. Didn't know he had this talent. APV. Gents, that's awesome. Who else can we do? I used to do someone else pretty good. Tucker Carlson. Oh, man. Super chat, JSMY, Anchor, thoughts on JSMY, DOT and CLV. Thoughts on CLV. Meter governance token. Could be making a bit of a move here. Depends on that 4 hour, though. 4 hour is ready to rock, baby. Ready to go. So this thing could be the one tonight for the 4 hour punch to the upside. Not bad. 27% gains out of Meter governance token. You got a lot of support and resistance to hide out on, too. That's what I'm liking about this coin here. Looking scrumptious. Looking absolutely scrumptious. Meter governance token. And this token's cool. It like do Michael Saylor. Well, the price of Bitcoin is inherently going to be the highest price of Bitcoin. I mean, it creates energy. It's the best energy you've ever seen. You never get a bad energy. You never get a bad energy crisis. Bitcoin, to me, is the best store of value. I mean, you could take gold. You could take silver. You could take all these different types of Bitcoin throughout the world. Doesn't really matter. Oh, man. You got to take deep breaths, man. You funny. Hope everyone is going good this weekend. You got to take the deep breaths, man. The Michael Saylor is the best. So, you take everything in the world, you put it down, and you're left with one thing. You're left with Bitcoin. You're left with Bitcoin. That's all you got. DEUS Finance is a new gem on Phantom Chain. The guy that runs it is a genius in taking over Solidity for Kanye. Quitting DEUS has been an amazing coin. Wow, 20 to 1,000 in the past couple months. DEUS. Interesting. DEUS on Phantom. DEUS Finance. He's a deuce. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you. Back to 1,000. Is that 1,000? Can't get the market cap yet. I like that. We don't want it, right? It's got a Polygon and a Phantom address, multi-chain, banging on them. Let's take a look at it. We looked at this before. I remember this DEUS Finance Evolution is a marketplace of decentralized financial services. We provide the infrastructure for others to build financial instruments, such as synthetic stock trading platforms, options, and future trading, and more. Supported chains. Bang, bang, bang. Backers and partners. Fish DAO, baby. You got to love Fish DAO. Scream. Beethoven, Solidity, Scream. That has something to do with Boo, right? Spirit swap. Spooky. Got the news coming out. Ecosystem layers, DEUS tokens, the roadmap, and more. We're going to take a look at it here with the Phantom address. You know I'm partial to my Phantom addresses. Let's take a look at what's happening for Phantom here with DEUS Finance. And DEUS for Phantom, please do. Thank you so much. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in.
You got the energy. It's all energy. Everything in life is energy. Okay? That's why my company, we put all the money into Bitcoin. It's the Bitcoin.
I could do it better too. Once I hear him for a while, I can do it better. I just got to like take it all in. You know? Wow, this thing is hot. You're right. It's just been banging on him. Look at it. It was just $300 not too long ago, and it's just been on a, look at it. It's been on a massive tear. Let's put it on the daily and see this thing just goes up. That's all it does. Wow. Dude, I wish we were on this already. You're right. It was $35 damn near March 13th. Wow. This is when the market starts to brew. We find stuff like this, everybody. Look at it. It's up 4,000%. It did a 40x since March 7th. This is the type of coins we start getting into. This is the type of stuff that starts happening to the lifers. It's insanity.
Did you forget this?
Yeah, I did. Thank you so much for my water. Lemon water, by the way. It smells like pizza. Can I have a slice of pizza? Yeah, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat all day. We've been working so hard all day long. I work to keep the charts going. She works to keep the movement met. I mean, so many people like, I want to get into Discord. How do I do this? Look how beautiful this Discord is. When I'm streaming, it says there's an event going on too, right? Weekly screen shared. Oh no. But it should show I'm streaming right now. I don't know if it does that. We're gonna get that going though. Testimonials, join the trading group, learning library. I added a video to the learning library last night to teach you about ascending triangles. Every single day I'm going to add another video to teach you something about crypto, teach you going every single time. Jump on into that learning library. It'll blow your mind. This is where beginner traders become expert traders. It's funny, the top of that smelled like pizza. Made me want to eat a slice. I smell jalapeno. You got jalapeno? I can smell the jalapenos on this slice. There's a place called Crystal's here. Absolutely love the pizza. I'm the world's fastest eater. I can eat a whole slice of pizza in like 30 seconds. Wow. Because, the pizza just came. If I didn't eat a slice just when it first comes, it's never as good as when it first comes. Even when you reheat it. It's never as good as when it first comes. Never. Wow, man. And honestly, though, if you're in my trading group, too, I push people to the limit. So the people that like work under me, the people that work with me, they're savages. They're complete savages. Look at this. If you're in my trading group, this is how much stuff you would have seen in the last day or two. In the last day or two. Look at this. This is today alone. This is today alone. Look, from 1:57 p.m. today, you got idea for XVS. I like XVS and where it's sitting. I've been looking at it very, very closely. All right. Another beautiful chart here for EOSC. And I'm not going to give you the rest of it, but there's so much. Look at that. I'll scroll fast so you can't even see. But these are all chart ideas coming at you all day long. So nice and neat, complete, with a bunch of well thought out ideas. I make sure all my stuff is neat. These other trading groups, you got a bunch of slop just getting thrown out on the chart, just lines and no. You work for me, you get in my trading group, you want to be an analyst, your charts are going to be neat and complete. Your charts are going to be neat and complete, detailed. We don't play around. So when you learn from us, you learn from the best. You learn from the best. We don't play around. Shout out to everyone in the group. We're taking this to the next level. Every part of this. We're making indicators. We're making a family. We're building strong bonds. We got analysts. We got 5 analysts. Me and my 5 analysts, untouchable. Shout out to Kevin Calderonster in the game. You came back. You made it unbelievable, man. I love you, bro. From the bottom of my heart. Shout out to Stack McChange, all the way from MIA, my man. He is a charting all-star. He took multiple sessions with me, and he took it to the next level. He's been rocking with me for a year now, banging on him. Shout out to my man Rainier, just came in the group, took it to the next level. Watch my live streams to the next level. K-Dub, about to don you if you keep it moving. About to give you the blessing soon if you keep it coming. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to my man Danny Senier, man, banging on him. Illuminates nothing, always giving it to us. And JD, your charts are beautiful. No one beats my team of analysts. Nobody. I'm telling you right now. You see I work every day. You see my work ethic. Nobody beats my team of analysts. Nobody. Shout out to Beats, man. About to turn him into a freaking savage. What I do is I tutor them till I just put so much into them, and I empower them to be insanely amazing. And then you learn from these people too. It becomes awesome. Love you, lifer. Good to be back. It's choppy for a while on my side. We love you, man. We love you, bro. You're the man. You right where you need to be. You right in the pocket, man. You right in the pocket. I love it. I love it. Banging on him, baby. Shout out to my man Stack. Beats always killing him. Shout out to Chris. Chris, man, you're on your way too, man. You're taking it seriously, Chris. I see you, bro. I see you helping people in the beginner's room every day. Today I seen you helping someone in the beginner's room. I'm watching all y'all. Shout out to my man Jamal Antonio, trying to get in the Discord now. My man Jamal, man, I love you, bro. Shout out to you, man. Beats the sniper. Golden pocket. Shout out to my man Harvey Kaplan. Love that. JSMY looks like it's going to take off. Let's take a look at JSMY. But MTRG, meter governance token, could make a bit of a move here. 4 hour looking scrumptious. Stop losses below previous support and resistance lines. Meter governance token. Bang, bang, bang. The crypto lifers, man. How do we do it? How do we get here? Where did I come from? Where did the group come from? How did we make it this far? Shout out to everybody here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. About to be the time we go on every single night at 8 p.m. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? We got them, 197, 195. Look at that. Y'all called it the second I looked at it. Nailed it. Nailed it. We moved to Discord. We started the month. We're banging on them. April Fool's Day. We went through all that. We did our, around the blockchain. Nailed it. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in. This is just getting started. Yeah, baby. We're just getting started. That's what I'm saying. We're just getting started. I've been YouTubing now. It'll be 3 years come September. It'll be 3 years come September. I ran this channel. It took 3 years for it to kind of do what it had to do. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Unbelievable people here. So I'm looking at meter governance token on the radar. On the radar, everyone. On the radar. Dude, I'm like falling in love with Discord. It's usually the case with me. I'm usually like, and then I'm in love with it. You know what I'm saying? Bang, bang, bang. And don't let me put light mode on and scare you guys. You put light mode on in front of crypto traders, they freak out. They're like, oh no. It's dark mode, baby. Dark mode and only dark mode. Meter governance token has some movements here on KuCoin. Low on the 4 hour. Low on the 4 hour Time frame. Is that all she wrote? Just run it back, I guess. Not too bad. Okay, so I want to see a pump out of that. Let's see. RMRK, Remark was on my radar down here. Look at that thing. Banged on him to the upside. Look at this. Look at this. 31% gains. I talked about it right there in this channel. No stop loss got hit. Look at that. Entry was right there. Never went lower. Bang, bang, bang. RMRK. And since when we first looked at the bottom here. And everyone, don't FOMO right now. If you're FOMOing, you have to remember this. Look, we're right here. Look, just so everybody knows. We're at the bottoms. We're at the bottoms. Yes, we're starting to build our way out of the bottom, but this is what happens, all right? Now, it does matter if you get in here and you go back to the all-time high. Watch this. You make 300%. However, you had caught that bottom 3 weeks earlier. You make an extra 450%. Not a big deal. So you're still going to make money. You're still going to make gains, you know? XAVA did some damage. People were asking about it on the live stream yesterday, and the thing did damage. It definitely did kind of we saw it in this, and then it broke out of the rising wedge and went parabolic, and then came right back to the, it retested the support, you know, which is interesting. Oversold. Take a look at it on the 4-hour. Yeah, it still has room to go down. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, man. Wow, that's moving right there. We talked about VRA right here, banging on him to the upside. VRA banged on him. Man, I got a lot of before and afters to make. Look at VRA. And I think I got to look at this here we still got to go back to Telegram, right? But VRA right here. Banged on him. Crazy. Render was on my radar just the other day. Look, I made this tight channel for Render. It would go up 31% gains, RNDR, right? And look, this is the call right here. And I made this little flag, suggested it would pump to the flag, right? And bang on them. And what it would do, it would pump out of that flag and bang on them. Not a big gain, though. See that? 11%, 12% from that entry. But we even had it here. Look, I had it right here in this flag. Man, I went over this thing 100 times. Look at how many times I went over it. Crazy. Electronium. I own some of this coin if I can ever get it out of Cryptopia hack. I was in Cryptopia and I got hacked. And I had like 7 or 8 grand in there. Still been trying to get it back. I keep getting emails from them trying to put it together. It's been a pain. CTSI looks like it may want to pop out of this. Look at this channel here. Thank you for the 207 live or like super chat. JSMY and Anchor Protocol. Let's take a look at JSMY, USDT here. And then we're going to look at Bitcoin for sure. For sure. We're going to look at it here on KuCoin. And what are you doing? You keep breaking it. And now it's in this falling wedge here. Now we bring it even lower. Look at that. It's right at that support where it bounced right there before. So you have a little bit of support where it's at. High risk, high reward for JSMY. But it's finally low on the daily. Okay. It's low on the daily, which a lot of coins are not, right? We've been waiting our turn for JSMY. We watch it. Another thing, if you've been watching JSMY with me, then you know when the daily's high, it's yes, you could get a pump, but it's just let it rock, let it move, let it do its thing, let it leave, you know? Because chasing dailies is not a good look. I don't care if the 4-hour looks great. Let me just show you something. Because this is something a lot of people ask all the time. Like, all the time. All right? They're like, can I get more? And I'm like, no, you can't get more. And what do I mean by that? Let me show you. We're going to juxtapose JSMY on the daily time frame. We're going to juxtapose it on the other time. Ooh, Mana finally making a bit of a move there. Kind of retesting this trend. Look, it's retesting the trend line. Look for Mana to make a bounce here. It's retesting. We'll get into Mana in a split second here. JSMY for Binance here. No, KuCoin, yeah. So look at this. We're going to look at the 4-hour and the 1-hour. And I'm going to show you how you can be deceived. You can still make 1-hour trades, though, depending. Even when you're in a downtrend on the daily time frame. So it started like this, though. Even I got a little fake. The daily was high, but we had this going. And I was like, you know what? That's a beautiful ascending triangle. Like, we should pump out of that. But look, if you look at here, the daily was saying you were overbought. But this looked like a beautiful channel. So mainly you might play this, but the daily was overbought. So that's why you'll see me say sometimes, you'll see me post a trade like this, and I'll say, it could pop. Anything could happen. We could get JSMY to pump. But the daily is high on us, right? So, you know, I don't know if we're going to get 58% when the daily's overbought. Just trying to teach you something right now. What I'm teaching right now is huge. I'm juxtaposing the daily and the 1-hour time frame so you don't get tripped up trying to chase bullish flags when the daily is not in your favor. However, I've seen this push up to the upside anyway. You don't know what's going to happen. I've seen this pump, and I've seen it dump. So, but most of the time, I want to get in when the daily's low. I have a better chance of making bigger gains, right? Daily's low now. That's now better. We're more in the sweet spot, right? So now we keep going, and what do we see here on the 1-hour time frame? Now, look, a bit of a double bottom. See that? A bit of bullish, look, bearish, bullish divergence. Because you got swing down to swing down here, but you got swing up to swing up on the RSI. Tells you that the trend will continue to the upside, right? And then we got this falling wedge kind of doing its thing here. Wants to break out, right? Kind of reminds me a little bit of Beat Pro when it came to the bottom. And then you're going to start working your magic back to the upside here, right? JSMY. All right. Let's take a look at Anchor Protocol. Great teaching moment right there for JSMY. I would clip that out if I were you. You know, you can clip out my videos and save them for learning moments at another time in life. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. All right. Really simple, too. Let me show you how to do it. If you're signed into YouTube and you're watching my channel, you can clip out any video you want while you're watching me. So check it out. Right here, you're watching episode 430 without a break. We haven't stopped. You can hit this clip button right here, and then you can start and stop a clip. I don't know how long it could be. I think it can be up to like a few minutes long. Yeah, it's about a minute long you can put out. And you can take a clip anywhere you want and put it anywhere for the kid. So if you ever see me do something, say something that might help me, or something that might promote the channel that you think is witty, comment, clip it out. Send it to a family friend, let us know. Help the channel grow by taking these clips and putting them all over the internet. I want to see my face like this all around the world. Shout out to everyone here. Where you at? Everyone, let us know where you're at in the world. Let us know where you're at in the world. Shout out to everybody here on the live stream. Join the 99 Lifer Trading Group. Just click and hit the Discord. Yeah, all you got to do is hit the Discord button. Hit that link. I just hit that link. It takes me right to the Discord. Look at that. Bang. Continue to Discord. Beautiful. You do want to download Discord and use the downloadable Discord app. But this is Discord, baby, ready to go. And look at this beautiful trading group that you would enter if you hit that link. My gosh. And then look, you can pay with Me6 directly in here. You can pay right here. Crypto direct payment to pay your membership fees directly. Simply email cryptolifers@gmail. I bet we could install a bot there too, though, a crypto payment bot. I know we could. We got to talk about that. We're automating it all, baby. We're automating it all. Look at all these people. Los Angeles. Look at, hold up. Let's see where everybody's from. Hey, you lovies. Shout out to Gina Bombina. Cleveland, Ohio, starting it up. Toronto, New Jersey. Charlotte, Milwaukee, Texas. Brighton, Ontario. Washington, baby. Arkansas, Oklahoma, right? South Africa, Ireland. Cali, unfortunately. EJ, also in South Africa. My man, Rainier. Cleveland, Ohio. I'm 2 right now, baby. Can I get another slice? That was so banging. Montreal, Jersey, Sayville, CT, Reno, Nevada, Japan. My man. Hey, we got 2 people. You should hang out. Yo, Dingo, you should hang out with my man. We should have you guys meet somehow in Japan. Anku Kutsibutsu. He's also a moderator in the group. He also lives in Japan. Dallas, London, Ontario. Ibley, Montana. Big Sky Country. My man, I see you, Big Sky. 33, South Florida. How you doing today, Sam? What's new, bud? Shout out to Scope Killer, man. Love you, brother. Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm on an island. My man. Colorado. Okinawa. Let's take a look at Anchor Protocol. Anchor was low on that daily, needed to make a move. It did move. Then it went flat again. Anchor, what are you doing to us? You're killing us. You're killing us, Anchor. You're killing us, Anchor. You almost made it, and then you didn't make it. You almost did it, and then you didn't do it. Anchor Protocol over here. So look, an Anchor was low, got really high there, got pushed up. Has another leg to the upside. I believe it's finally making this bowl. It's kind of, to me, I'll show you where the fractal is right now. I'll show you the fractal. I see it. Do you see it? Let me show you the fractal right here. Bars pattern. And you got this H. See this H in the middle? Same H right there. Do you see what I mean? See that H? See this little H? The Bart Simpson right there. You got the Bart Simpson right there too. And it's about to make its move out of the bowl to the upside. I like what I'm seeing here. Bit of a giant cup and handle for Anchor Protocol. Making a higher low. Wanted to do damage. Right now the daily is pushing up. 4 hours also pushing up. I've seen this happen before. I've seen this story before. Sammy cup and heady to the upside. No. But I mean, it's getting tight. It's getting tight. And I can see this thing make a huge move to the upside. Sammy cup and heady. You know, Bob, the last time I saw a cup and handle that big, it was 1994. I was eating a hot dog with mustard and mayonnaise. Yeah, you don't put... Yeah, what? Mayonnaise, Bob. Yeah. I was eating a hot dog with... Back then, everybody put mayonnaise on their hot dog. What are you talking about? It was common. I wasn't that weird. It was weird, bro. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I am representing Belleville, Cape Town, New Jersey. David Bobavid, my man. Sammy Cup and Hattie to the upside. Shout out to Finbook. Dade County. Stack McChange with the Dade. You look like you need some sleep. Shout out to Chris Weeks, my man. Banging on him to the upside. Chris Weeks, man. You see me build an empire, man. You saw me build an empire when no one knew the name. Shout out to Chris Weeks, man. First kid to hang out when I was in the city, man. I always need some sleep. I work 24/7, my man. I work 7 days a week, baby. You've never seen someone work harder than me. My grandfather was a bricklayer, worked 7 days a week. My father was an iron worker, hustler. Straight up. Chris Weeks. And yo, everyone, that Chris Weeks right there, his uncle was Kevin Weeks. Literally did hits for freaking, he did hits for Whitey Bulger, no lie, like straight up. That was his real uncle. Like, insanity. Like, absolute insanity. Oh, my ear hurts. But yeah, man. Went to high school with me. Shout out to Chris, man. Love you, brother. Bricklayer, tough job. Oh, man. No lie. Till the hands hurt, baby. Till the hands hurt. Can we check out Dogecoin? Yeah. Your dad had the fire. You're so stupid, man. I appreciate the hard work, bro. None. Don't mess with the family. Unpaid mechanic. Form is breaking out. Yes, it is. Formation 5. Doing damage, baby. Still got the fire, baby. Still got the fire. Brr, brr. Beginner's course, Vermont style. The beginner's course every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last Saturday of every month, 9 p.m. Bang, bang, bang. Love you too, kid. Thanks, Chris. Yo, we got to have dinner, man. When are we going to have lunch, bro? Come on, man. I don't think you work. I see you on a golf course every day. I ain't got a job. I work for myself. We got our own businesses. Let's hang out, man. Sauerkraut, come on. Ground meat, cheese, mayo, ketchup, and mustard on your hot dog. Damn, that's a lot. That's like a freaking meal. Hot dog's supposed to be a snack. That's like a freaking Thanksgiving. Anchor protocol. I want to see Anchor banging on them to the upside here. I'm personally in a bag of Anchor. I grabbed into Anchor here on the lows. 169% gains coming out of Anchor. Back above 587. Let's see it, baby. Let's see the daily make a move. 4 hours not really in your favor right now, though. 1 hour might pop. You got to see Anchor break that, that diagonal resistance, of course. Bro, did you see the bearish div on JSMY? Three-day time frame. Thank you, bro. Cause Heritage are launching and better search about them. I'll be home in June. We'll go out big boy style. Yeah, let's do it, dude. Let's do it, man. I don't need to hold back, man. You know I'm banging on them now. My man, dude. We'll go to Encore or something, and then I don't know what we'll do. We'll just do something crazy. Just like old times. They got the reunion on the 21st for my class and 3 classes all put together. I may bounce on in, say hi to a few people. You know, Joe Coffey shot a movie, and a bunch of us were all out. A bunch of Boston Latin kids were all hanging out in West Roxbury about a couple weeks back. Sammy popping bottles. Shout out to Stack McChange. Superchat.clv. Wait, hold on. We got to finish with the first batch of super chats, though. Hold up. .clv. Okay, no, only dot and CLV. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you. I know I was battling with the basketball games. Funny that Chris would even jump on. Hilarious. my man Stack, man. Let's take a look at Polkadot in the house. And look, I haven't even gone over Bitcoin yet. Crazy, right? Shout out to the Crypto Lifer from London, UK. Shout out to JAYJ, baby. Banging on them with the peace signs. Let's go. This thing's baggy, and you can still see the cuts, though. No, I'm just... I ain't all that. Don't watch sports too much anymore. Money is the game. That's what I'm saying. Rent a Ferrari. We could do that, too. We could do something crazy. So look at the shoulder, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder for Polkadot. Okay? Then it broke out nicely. This is what I see here. Tightness. Getting tight. Getting very tight. Tight like a toiga. Tight. Very tight. Tight. Very tight. 4 hours hybrid. It's about to loop. It's about to loop, and it's bouncing off resistance. I believe we're going to see a bit of an alt frenzy tonight into the morning, and then they might clean up its act. Dot may push it for the move. Super chat, CLV. Thoughts on CLV? XEC eCash. Compilation. No Ferrari for me. The CEO of Tapu died in a wreck in Ferrari. My man. A lot of people died in a lot of things. I'm going to keep it moving. Someone probably died in every single car ever made. You know what I'm saying? Sad to say, that's how dangerous cars are. Loca gonna move. Loca, baby, Loca. Loca been gaming on him. No pun intended. Let's take a look here at CLV. Clever Finance. And has a little bit of a move coming here if it could pop out. Bit of a cuppy handy. Get a little cuppy de handy over here. Le coupe de handle. Let's take a look at it here on the 1 hour time frame. I think that hat just made me look more tired than I am. Yeah, a little tired. Yeah, long day though. I was up till like 2 a.m. last night, making sure the transition was going well, watching Discord and the move. End of the month too. People joining, people leaving, right? Seeing who was coming, seeing who was going, seeing the goings on in the trading group. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. 35%, bang, bang, bang for CLV. 1 hour wants to give it to him. 4 hour wants not to give it to him, but it could flip. It's actually starting to round out, so I believe that's going to flip for you to the upside. CLV may make some gainers. And the daily still has a little bit of a run, so I would trade the 1 hour and the 1 hour only. 4 hour does want to flip for you, but CLV does look like it may get a bit of a punch to the upside. I'd say it's about a 68% chance. 78% chance that this is going to move. 12 hours waiting on a SOL transaction so I can pay in crypto. Really? Why would it? That shouldn't take that long, man. SOL should never take that long. So something's going on. Something's going on, bro. SOL takes seconds. SOL transactions take absolute seconds. Something's going on with your thing, you know? Lifer 99 Trading Group is an amazing 24/7 resource. Exclusive Lifer charts, beginners TA, learning library, traders from around the world, VIP charts and ideas, elite charts and ideas. We're going to have to change that. Elite charts and ideas. Elite trader charts and ideas. Yeah, we have to change. I changed the name of the room. Super chats are cleared. Shout out to Grace. Protocol in the house. Banging on them to the upside. Grace, we love you. Check out your transaction address. Yeah, there's no way that should take a SOL transaction should be seconds. Never had a SOL transaction take longer than 3 minutes. Yeah. The Discord is amazing. You're the best, dude. Thank you. Check some Gala good steam, bro. I'm going for the next 24 hours. I'm going in for the next 24 hours, my man. Thank you, man. Jump on into that Discord. There's so much information there to keep you going. Oh, my God. Didn't see a SOL address for the Lifer last time I paid. If you ask, we'll find a way. So people ask, well, yeah, we'll make an address. I mean, I have a SOL wallet right here. So look, I got a Phantom wallet right here. If I could actually get the password, right? I got a Solana wallet right here. You want to send me some SOL? Send me some SOL right here, baby. Look, I'll take SOL any day of the week. Send me some SOL right now, baby. I paid Lifer in SOL before. My man Stack. Me either SOL quick. If you're still waiting, you probably lost your money. David Kendall. I hate to say David's usually a positive guy, but he's being honest. You know what I'm saying? Matic inverted head and shoulder on the hourly chart. Money, baby. Big Pun, best rapper dead or alive. Till Bitcoin live. Surf City. Bitcoin, what up? Peace to Sam. Cup and Handy. 51.6, my man. Shout out to you, my man. I was just talking about Big Pun the other day. Man, I watched his life story just the other day. So sad. Pegasus, I caught the drop. Any word? Pegasus, I caught the drop. Any word? Love learning. The Discord link says the whoops. Unable to accept the invite. Lifer 99 Trading Group. Amazing 24/7 research. Elite Lifer charts and ideas. You're the best, man. Everything looks good on the transaction record, says processing. Pun was a beast rapping and in life. Man, he died at 28 though, man. He ate so much, he was so depressed. Who's going to be the person to send me some Solana? Let's see this move. I want to see this move up. Make this move, baby. Make this move to 460. Come on. HYDER on my radar. Let's take a look at HYDER real quick. Crypto Lifer, thank you so much for tuning us into Mike Maloney. We're halfway through his series. We lived through a lifetime. He discusses. He lived through a lifetime. He discusses. It makes total sense. Mind-blowing material. Wendy, I'm so happy you got put on to Mike Maloney. He will change your life forever. Yes, I was watching Drink Champs. A lot of people didn't know Pun had sleep apnea. Yep, I sent straight from my NAMI wallet. Cardano, my man. Casual Saturday, I like it. Yeah, anytime, baby. Casual Saturday. No pocket square, no tie. We keep it moving. Shout out to Wendizzle33, Wendy Frazzle. We love you, Wendy. You're awesome. You were so awesome in the class too. What a great class, right? What a cool group of people. HYDER looking nice to me. Risk 13% to gain 73%. The last few coins that look like this banged on them to the upside. HYDER on the daily wants to make a bit of a move. 4 hours cooling off. 4 hours cooling off. Could get a flip. I'll put an alert on the middle here. Just in case. I said in case just to mess with you. In case. Because you remember, you're like, why did he say it like that? Just because, so you would say, why did he say it like that? See? It's just, it's one of those things that happens that's not supposed to happen, but it happens. Covalent, we called the bottom for Covalent. Looked a lot like BPRO. Remember, we put a thing on it? It did push out. It retested. Now Covalent just got to break above 43. It's a beautiful project. The CEO is amazing. Definitely do your research. We like Covalent a lot. PMON. You know what I'm saying? Polychain, baby. And look, we talked about this cup and handle. Banged on them 18%. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Enough is enough. Shout out to Greg Page for the 199 super chat. What do you think about Chivo Wallet and STX about to take a trip to the motherland, El Salvador, home of Bitcoin adoptions? Interesting. Interesting. Wendy, you're awesome. Thank you for the $10 super chat. Much respect to you and yours. Shout out to everybody here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. Thank you for jumping on into the live and being a part of the live. CLV. Hope everyone smooshed that like, baby, every time. What do you think about Chivo Wallet? Okay, yep. Near, please. Let's send it near. Yeah, I see your super chat. I get it. I put 2 and 2 together now. And this is my St. John's hat. I went to St. John's University. Shout out to St. John's. Didn't make it into the tournament, but we love you, St. John's. Look, never got stopped out, and near banged on them for 21% gains. This is the flag I would have jumped in with the stop below here. Look, they tried to get you, but they didn't hit the stop. They did not go below this resistance line. That was your support. If your stop was below that, you nailed near for 21% gains. And we talked about near right here as well. So as you're taking the original call for near, banged on them 50.33% gains for near protocol. Near just doing damage to the upside. Near just killing it. My back is itchy. Okay. Wow, I've been working out so much. You could see it in the clothes I'm wearing now. It's so weird. I've been working out so much every single day, getting ready for summer. I don't want to look like a fatty on the beach. You know, I want to look so awesome on the beach. I want to look ready to go. Lossless broke out of this little flag. Now it's flagging again. Interesting. A lot of altcoins are just claiming to come on back. They're like, no, we want to take it to the upside. Take it to the upside. No. From ES, but rep Big Bun and Beat Nuts from Ball Island, El Salvador, St. John's, Queens. God bless you, Sam. Cup and handle. St. John's, Queens, baby, all day long. Jamaica, Queens. I spent my 4 years in Jamaica. Loved every second of it. Hillside Ave, 169th Street. Shout out to my peoples. Shout out to Jamaica, man. Shout out to Jamaica Ave. Shout out to Liberty Ave. Shout out to Queens. Shout out to Union Turnpike. Shout out to all my Queens peoples. Man, Queens, man. Queens Boulevard. Man. Shout out to anyone that lived through Queens, man. Queens is crazy. Straight up. Queens is crazy. Glimmer did damage too. My man, Stack McChange, gave you Glimmer. He freaking hand spoon fed it to the group. Nailed it. Shout out to my man, Stack. You were all over Glimmer. And we had it in this channel here. Highly likely it was going to break out. It did to the upside. Glimmer. Then it made a flag. We talked about the flag. It boosted out of the flag. Glimmer banged on him. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. No channel goes over more altcoins than we do every single day. Cash rules everything around me. Queens, get the money. Yeah. Queens, get the money. Dollar, dollar bill, y'all. So look, let's break it down. So this is the flag that I suggested Bitcoin was in, okay? And you know what's funny is they make an insane, and it's also a giant inverted head and shoulder. Look at this. It's a giant inverted, okay? If it'll let me touch this. Actually, watch. When in doubt, right? Snatch out the pen. Watch this. This is going to blow your minds. Watch this. I love this. This is like what I love about this the most. They should pay me to do this, man. The Apple Pen should become the new trading. I mean, every trader needs an Apple Pen, right? So what chart are we on right now, right? We're looking at BTC. On the Binance chart, yeah. Look at this. I had a hard time moving that around, right? Actually, wait, no. I'm on the KuCoin chart. Hold on. Bear with me for a second. Bear with me. When I move this on the screen, it's going to move it on the other screen. It's so cool. So look, I wanted to take this length to this pole. I want to move it over there. See how it just moved? Look at that. It just moved right there. How cool is that? You want to readjust the length of this? Move this around. It's moving it around the screen. I find this fascinating. And it's almost real time. Like, anyway, you guys don't care about it. I think it's completely fascinating. Then the thing charges when you throw it on the top. Dude, everybody needs an Apple iPad. Like, I swear my whole team needs one. I want every lifer to have an iPad. We'll just become like, you'll see us going around while we just charting our faces off at the speed of light. Shout out to everybody here on the live. We're doing them. So look at Bitcoin was in this flag. We figured it out. They can do all they want, but I always find the pattern no matter what. Trust, I will find the pattern. Okay? Funny, I'm still having a hard time grabbing that pattern. Oh, that's why, because the 200-day moving average was in there. Ah, ha, ha. I figured it out. The 21, sorry. There we go. So look, this is an inverted head and shoulder. It's a drunken inverted head and shoulder. Oh, I don't want 3 dives. Sorry. You got your left shoulder here, your giant head. Pause. And your right shoulder there to the upside, right? This does want to bang on them. Measured move is the length of the neck to the top of the head. Then you swing it out the length and bang, bang, bang. I mean, that's about where we should be going. Right there. 49,000, baby, out of the inverted head and shoulder. Also, it's a falling wedge. I took the length of this pole, pushed it up here. This is our next idea. Actually, and I give it a little more gas to that next resistance point. 50K, baby. Bitcoin to 50K by tomorrow. Bitcoin to 50K by tomorrow. Now, I usually don't do outlandish things like that. But look, this 4-hour push is up. That's a massive, huge move. I'm telling you. That's going to be a massive move. 1 hour is doubling, and it's got the divergence that we talked about earlier. Look, this is swing low to the upside. If you're not sure if that's up, what you can do is you can double-click the RSI and really hone in on this. Zoom in and make sure you're really nailing it. Okay? Perfect. Ready to go. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now let's take a look at this. This is a swing to the downside here. This is called bullish divergence. You're also getting cupped by the 200-day moving average. You're hitting it on the 100 on the 1 hour. That's a push to the upside. So you got an inverted head and shoulder. You got a falling wedge. You got the 1 hour ready to reset. You have a lack of bearish momentum on the MACD. You got bullish divergence. I'm long Bitcoin, baby. I am long Bitcoin. That's it. That's it. USDT pairs to the roof, baby, to the moon. So I'm long on Bitcoin right now when I do my assessment for BTC. And the daily's halfway. It could do a flip. And actually, it's flipping for us right now, baby. Look at this. The daily's doing this right now. Bling. So I'm seeing a move here coming on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Bitcoin is very, 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 very bullish. It's more likely Bitcoin pushes to the upside than anything else. And I do this all the time. You don't have to believe me. You can go listen to the next best YouTuber, right? You can go listen to your next best Bybit link pusher, right? Because that's what they are. They're Bybit link pushers. That's all they are. Most YouTubers make the majority of their money off of Bybit links. It's so sad. I found out how much they make. Like, no, Carl the Moon makes millions of dollars a week. He can make $1 million a week off of liquidating people. It's amazing, right? Make money when people lose money. It's so awesome. Just be like, hey, hit this link, and if you get liquidated, I get paid. Buy me a house when you lose tons of money. And then I can sit there in my house with my feet up and be like, everybody's tears. You know, I can just put my feet up on everybody's losses. Be like, let me go drive a Beamer. Let me go put my key. Let me start my car with everybody's losses real quick. Yeah, it feels good. Let me get that going. You know, crazy, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. You know, he's a nice kid though, right? He believes in himself. I'm not hating, man. I'm being honest. Trust me, I want a Bybit link. I want to make 50 grand a month extra off of all the knowledge that I have because I trade well and I could show, you know, but it's like, what would I don't know, man. They've already offered me 60 grand a month, and that was like when I had 10,000 subs. I wonder how much I'd be making now, you know? I wonder how much I'd be making now. He just got a Bugatti. I know, right? Keeping it real. Karma. Laws. Exactly why I use no one's Bybit link. Justin Brunk. The only dude I really like was Da Vinci. You know what Da Vinci would do? If you lost with his link, you could show your losses, and he would give you the commission he made on your losses back to you. He really would. Da Vinci was the only person to do that online. Da Vinci J, you know, he would give you back your losses. I don't know if he does that anymore, but he used to say that. When his community was small, he's like, if you use my link, you can prove the link, and you can show the trade, and you can see the commission he got, and I guess he can piece it back together, you know? Zin, the Zildo Zitcoin is absolutely exploding. Oh my God. Not sure what the address you posted goes to. It says no results found. Not sure what that address you posted goes to. It goes to my Solana wallet. All right. It's my Solana wallet. Look. Copy. It's my Solana wallet. What? That's my Solana wallet. He told everyone to buy Bitcoin at $1. He didn't. He really did. He did, man. Da Vinci at the very beginning. Not sure what the address you posted goes to. Yep. Damn, chart champions must kill it off Bybit subs. Oh, yeah. Prodigy, Chuck D, and Method Man. Tell him, Sam. Keith Murray. Funny. Somebody has to lose to win. I know. Exactly why he's not. You know what, though? You know what? Good for them. They do it. I'm honestly not hating, man. I'm happy a young dude gets to drive a Bugatti. Hey, maybe one day he'll let me drive it. You never know, right? Truth about Da Vinci. He went offline for a while, but he may be back online. I saw him recently. Pete Rock, one of my favorite. Pete Rock, man. Soul Survivor, baby. That was my favorite album. Look at this. Pete Rock. Soul Survivor. Like. Soul Survivor, man. This is my favorite album. I grew up on this album. Like. Man, I'll always remember this album right here. Pete Rock, Soul Survivor, man. And he had the, man, I grew up on this album. Like, I listened to it every single day before school. It was like everything to me. Yo, Pete Rock, man. I love that dude. Made some of the most. Take the D train, man. Come on. Thank you for the continuous live streams. Your work ethic and motivation is on another level. Glad I found the Lifer fam. Tony C, anytime, man. I don't take days off. Saturday, Sunday, Christmas, you name it. I'm banging on them. It does not matter. Highly likely Bitcoin does pump to the upside tonight. This is my call. I'm holding to it because, look, we have a higher low formed. That's a beautiful higher low. I'm going to long that higher low. Bang, bang, bang to the upside. USDT pairs will take the cake. I like what I'm seeing here. Thank you, Wendizzle. Purple tape. All right. Reppin' Q with the polo. How much for the Discord on or your programs? $99 a month to jump on into the Discord. $100 a month to take my live courses. My live courses. Everyone else has pre-recorded courses. My courses are live. I'm one of the only people out here that does live courses. Ask me a question live. Let me know how you feel live. Nobody does live courses. I put in the work every single week. Did a 3-hour course. Hanging on them. Like, Elon, one of my favorite projects. Love Elon. Love it. That is so stinking. Bang, bang, bang. You have market cipher? No, I have my own indicator. Look at this. I made my own, me and Danny, I don't want to say I, but my team and I, we made our own indicator. We don't need Market Cipher. We actually know how Market Cipher was built. It's not that amazing. And not trying to hate. I love Crypto Face. He has an amazing, like, you know, shout out to him and his business. Shout out to his Market Cipher, right? I don't use it. I bought it too. Look, I own Market Cipher and I don't use it. Look, and you'd be like, no, he's lying. I actually have it. Look. Wait for it. Look at Market Cipher A, B, and SR with the locks. With the locks. And you can go see these numbers are the exact numbers. 2,000, that's how many they sold. With the locks right there. Bang, bang, bang. And so look at the math. I mean, they charge about 15 to 3 grand depending on the person. Let's just say $2,600. And they got 2,600 people to buy the thing. Banged out hold up. Yeah, 2,600 people to buy a $2,600 item. They banged on them for $6.7 million. CryptoFace banging on them, right? Even if you just sold 2,000 for 2,000, I mean, $4 million. So you sell a product for $2,000 to 2,000 people. You make $4 million. Everyone's trying to make a gain. That's how you make it. You look at the small side of things and you make it happen, you know? Look at the small, I mean, it's just insane. It all adds up over time. Just got to keep grinding. You got to keep grinding. So yeah, I'm not a Market Cipher dude. Just never been my thing. You know? I'm an independent guy. I gotta do things on my own. I go hard. Like I gotta make my own indicator. You know? Miss you, man. Life. Shout out to Will Rojo. Been a while, Will. My man, dude. I need a chandelier over my bed. Gina Bombina. Frankie with the bangs. Funny. Frankie G. Bang, bang, bang. Shout out to Frankie Candles. Is that Frankie Candles that comes on my show? I just realized. I think that's Frankie Candles. I just realized that for the first time. Wait. Is that Frankie Candles? Frankie G. Are you Frankie Candles, dude? I think it is. I could be wrong, though. Hold on. I'm here, peeps. Now hit that like button, please. What up, Lifer? Shout out to Crypto Rich in the game. Appreciate you. I like Market Cipher B. Yeah, it's a little bit. I agree with that. I agree with that statement. Money flow. The money flow, though. Frankie G, are you the guy from Frankie Candles? You look like him. I can't tell, though, but it looks like you. No, I'm not. Sorry. Okay, Frankie Candles is such a cool name. Belongs in The Sopranos. I know, right? Get the papers. Get the papers. Over here. Over here. So I'm solid on Bitcoin pumping to the upside. I like what I'm seeing here. Oh, dang, I didn't know the course was live. Wow, definitely taking the next one you do on a Saturday. I can't do it on the weekdays, unfortunately. Purple tape. Rain and goes. Hell yeah, still bangs. Yep. Just 23 Lifer likes to reach 300 Lifer likes. Just one click helps the Lifer family. Thank you for saying that in the comments. So awesome. All right, if I'm out of here for the night, this was just a quick live stream. It's 9:30, 8:38. We went from about 7:15 to 8:38. I'm in and out. Give you your night back, but I just wanted to go over a bunch of different coins. See some super chat action. Talk about y'all. Much respect to the one looks like it can reverse. Much respect. Then the 1 day looks like it can reverse, but the 2 day got the red dot and the 3 day about to get one. Yeah, 3 day is spent on Bitcoin. That's worrisome, right? And last time the 3 day was high, dump. But it could be the anomaly 3 day, like right here. See the anomaly 3 day where we were high, right here. We would continue to go to the upside. You see that? I believe we continue up here. Then we pull back on the 3 day somewhere up in here. I believe we're going to do the 3 day anomaly. See how this continued to go to the upside, even though we were cooked? We did it here too. Look, we did it twice. The last 2 times, the 3 day was right where we're at. Look at, we continue to go up. Right here, we're right where we're at. We continue to go up. Right there and right there. So don't put a lot of weight on that 3 day being high. I just schooled you. I sunned you. Now, I didn't sun you. I don't want to be rude, but I kind of did sun you in a way. You know, it's true, right? I mean, did I sun the guy or did I not? I don't know. You guys tell me. Did I sun him or did I not sun him? I don't know. You got to let me know. If I sunned him, I get rights to sunning him. If I didn't sun him, then I didn't sun him. But, like, if I sunned him, you got to say I sunned him, right? So did I sun him or not? Let me know. Let me know. That's why I watch the channel, fam. Great info, man. I'm just messing with you, World Star Raw, man. You're awesome, dude. Do you really want World Star, bro? Because, you know, that'd be interesting. it's just funny to see World Star Raw here on the channel. You Will Swiftman. I call my brother's son because we shine like one. I love you, brother. Sam, what's the first hip-hop album purchased? The 3-Day God Bless. Yeah, he got the same hat as me. I'm sonning him. 51.6, you're funny, man. Sam, what's the first hip-hop album purchased? Ever purchased? I'll tell you, I remember it. I remember my first hip-hop album ever. Because it had this yellow car on it. Hold up. It was EPMD, Back in Business. This is the first album I ever bought. Right here, look. Back in Business. EPMD. Yo, EPMD, man. They were first dudes. And like it was all about strictly business, back into business. This means business. Every album had the word business in it. EPMD, man. I'm telling you, man. They were my first album I ever bought in my life was an EPMD album. No lie, bro. First album I ever bought was an EPMD album. Straight up. Like, I'm old, yo. You guys are making me feel so old. Yo, damn, man. But that's how you know I'm a real hip-hop head, man. Because, like, that was pre-Wu-Tang. That was pre-Illmatic. That was, like, they OGs. They OGs, bro. Like, if you were listening to EPMD, Eric Sherman, Millennium Ducats, man, come on, man. Yo, Moonbeam Glimmer and their brand new Dex Beam Swap Glint and the new NFT marketplace Moonbeam Beans. The second are very early. Last one is 1 million market cap. Oof. Beans, huh? Interesting. He just put us on. I'm going to actually copy and paste that into the group. That's good. That's good alpha news right there. We get a lot of alpha news here on the live, and I always set it back into the stream to my peoples. Research this. SafePal looking nice too. Man, there's a lot of calls out there tonight. Y'all went hard. Y'all went hard. So 45,000 right there. Look, 45,005 is where we don't want to break. So we don't want to break this resistance right here. This support, 45,006, 45,500. This is a zone. I don't want to see us go lower than, honestly. If we do, we're going to come back and test 45K. All right? Beautiful recovery off 45K. Like, absolute insanity. And look, we got the inverted head and shoulder inside the wedge. Highly likely we get a move to the upside. This is what we're talking about here. Bang. Bigger move. 8% gains for Bitcoin. 8% gains for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the price note here. $50,000 BTC. And that's what I'm sticking to. That's my analysis. There we go. That's my analysis, and I'm sticking to it. Cryptarium, if you have the time, Unpaid Mechanic. Sam, if you get a chance, check out my super chat. Thanks. Shout out to Crypto Rich, man. What'd you say, buddy? Check out BICO on KuCoin. New coin. Much love. Thank you so much, Crypto Rich. We'll take a look at BICO. My man. Thank you so much for you and yours. Let's take a look at BICO. I'm just going to post this Bitcoin chat to my trading group. To the goops. And there's 46K being rekindled. Can we rekindle the love for 46K? Can we rekindle the love? Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I'm going to jump on out of here for the night. I'm going to look at BICO, and that will be the last coin I'll look at. I'm going to attempt to watch one of these Final Four games. You know what I'm saying? I mean, come on. You know, I never watch anything. I'm going to attempt to watch a little bit of it, you know? So BICO already pumped, man. We were a little late to the party, dude. You know? It's now overbought. You want to stay away from this right now. It's very overbought. Curving up here on that 4-hour time frame. Hit resistance with a Wickeezy. It got wicked. Trying to push back up on the daily. There's a chance, but again, it's supportive resistance right here, and you got that major resistance there, and a little bit where you're at right now, honestly, because you got a candle that closed right there, same spot. So look for this to pull back, maybe. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour wants to come down too as well, but it is making a flag. So all you can do is watch the flag, wait for it to hit the 21, and see if it can pump on out. And I set alerts here on the Stochastics RSI. Bang, bang, bang for BICO. Not my cup of tea, though. I think there's better out there tonight. Not my cup of tea. Look at HYVE. HYVE's in this. Look, it left the pattern. It's back in it now. See? That's all. HYVE's about to do damage. Look at this. Bang. And there we have it. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours ready to go. I would watch HYVE closely. Negate that this ever happened. Watch this move. Bitcoin pumps. HYVE's pumping with it. All these USDT pairs are going to go ba-boom to the upside. So HYVE on my radar right now. HYVE on my radar. Support and resistance lines. Okay. I reloaded. We're 7% to gain 23. There's your 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. I like what I'm seeing. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say and do should not be taken as financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I will teach you how to draw support and resistance. I will teach you about Fibonacci. I will teach you about your patterns. I will teach you your measured moves. You will know proper risk-reward ratios built up on the long tool. You know what the stochastics RSI is, the MACD turning, and the RSI and a falling wedge close to oversold or at least below 50. Ready to bang on you to the upside. HYVE is looking absolutely scrumptious. HYVE on my radar. HYVE on my radar. Okay? All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm going to see you tomorrow in the morning. We're going to do the Lifer Cypher with Crypto Muser. So the Lifer Cypher with Crypto Muser, you'll see me. Then you also see me for Bitcoin in the weekly candle close tomorrow at 8 p.m. Ready to bang on you to the upside. So shout out to everybody here. Thank you for calling yourself Crypto Lifers. If you're new, if you just jumped into my trading group, thank you so much. One of the most blessed first and seconds we've ever had. People jumping into the group like they're jumping out of a fire, like they're jumping into my group like I am like a lifeboat on the Titanic. And I believe we are, actually. I believe we are. So shout out to everybody that jumped on into the group. We love you. We're going to support you. You just did a great move. You invested in yourself with a great group of people. They're going to help you move at the speed of light. Shout out to each and every one of you. I love you all. Thank you so much for everything. Let me find my window here. Thank you so much for everything, everybody. Have a wonderful night. And don't do anything I wouldn't do. Trade safe. I love you all. Be safe.